Hello friends, my name is Priyanka Wagh. I am in third year of electrical engineering from KK Wagh Institute of Engineering and Research Center. I had joined Swapnapurti last year, that is season 12, and my Swapnapurti ID is NS12001. First of all, Happy Independence Day to all of you. I have two questions. First one, are we really free, or does being independent simply means to be free from the slavery? The answer from my side is no. This is our 74th Independence Day, but still there are some issues which we are discussing since ages. Today in front of you I have all those issues which we are reading every day on the newspaper while scrolling Instagram and Facebook. We also read these issues on any forwarded WhatsApp messages and on news channel. But we are the young citizen of our country. What exactly we are doing? Like last month when I was reading a newspaper, I came to know about the truth of our society. The truth was child marriage. Let me connect to some other links related to this truth, like children's education, women's empowerment, and even many more. Let me tell you a statistical data that 80 child marriages were stopped in the state of Maharashtra. Yes, the state of Savitribai Phule, the state of many great women like Savitribai Phule, the state of Rani Lakshmibai, the state of Ramabai, and many more. I will not directly jump into the conclusion or into resolving this issue, but I will tell you the reason behind it. When I get to know about this issue, I read some articles and the points which I could conclude from those articles are: the first reason is poverty. Due to this lockdown or this pandemic, 92.5% of workers had lost their jobs, which led them to starvation. And the only thing which comes to their mind was to get their daughter married in this situation. Some other causes can be social pressure and fear of not getting their daughter married in the adulthood. So, the next question which arises here is what we can do. How can we prevent this? We can empower children in technical skills or innovative skills and by support network. Like our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir has said that has started an initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we can teach children many skills like making bottle out of a bamboo stick or bamboo plant and even many more. This will not only enhance their skills, but it will also help our country to add some values. The second thing which is there is that due to this pandemic, many schools are operating in online mode. So in some remote areas, children are losing their education because of unavailability of internet. So what we can do, we can arrange our friends or teachers in a particular area which can teach a group of students of 5 or 6 by following all the protocols of social distancing. Students who are deprived of internet. Recorded pendrive courses or lectures can be shown on TV. Even for the girls who are drop out of schools due to some reasons, this is the best chance for them to get back to their education or to get back to their studies. Because we know that education is the only way through which we can make our country to stand at another level. At the end, I just want to tell you that empowering children to stand up for themselves can make them independent, and also due to empowering them, no one can stop them from achieving their dream. So, thank you for listening, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.